When I first came to Aruba, this island was pretty dirty. I've been to a few other Caribbean islands, but it didn't have any septic problem. But the trash was everywhere. After the carnival, it would take a week, 2 weeks to clean up. I've been doing this for 22 years. I'm out here every morning, 2 to 4 hours, depending on how I feel. I am 72 years old. I've had the heart operation and all, but I'm in pretty good health. But my legs are bothering me. But I clean the beach here because I don't know. I think God made me do it. I really do. I survived a bad accident, and I said I want to do something for the rest of my life, and this is what I've been doing. Even home, just clean, clean, clean. And it's a shame because it's such a beautiful island. It's as small as it is. It's just a beautiful island, and I'm trying to make it more beautiful. My third year in Aruba, I believe, and I was staying at the Tamaran, and then I moved into the Divi village. And when we got here, the wind wasn't blowing. And it was hot. There was no wind. So I said, I'll go see what's going on. I went to the far side of the island by the lighthouse, and the golf course over there has a 4 to 6 foot fence of steel. And it was covered with plastic. And I could see the wind blowing, going up the plastic and over the other side of the island and never blowing on the other side. So I cleaned it all up, and people say that I made the wind blow again in Aruba. Trash laying on this beach here is from Tobago, Trinidad, Santa Maria Island, Venezuela, and occasionally I find some odd pieces. I got this year 2 Coke cans on this beach that says made in South Africa. I don't know how they got here. And a lot of the stuff lately has been little plastic buckets with paintbrushes stuck in them and hard hats. And I know it's painting these ships that sit out here. They fall overboard, and that's to me very harmful to the environment. If they stop this plastic right now, within 5 to 10 years, it would make a big difference because this stuff does break down and break up. And that's what I'd love to see. Just end this. This is worse than global warming. It's just for the kids' sake and their kids and the future. But, I won't be here to see it clean, but as long as I'm here, I'm going to do my best.